गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय मां जय मां जय मां everybody. Today we are making pulao, biryani, whatever you want to call it. It's paneer basically, paneer pulao, biryani, whatever you want. I have forgotten to switch on the lights. So, I will switch on the lights. Bharti bhai, you forgot the lights. Just saying, switch on the gas. Put your patila here. I need my napkin. Just wipe it a little bit, there's little water in it. So I'm wiping. Then I'll first put oil. Then I shall put butter. It's not heated yet. Let it heat. Then I'll put a tej patta and lots of khada masala. You know, all the whole masala. This is dagad phool. I think it's called black stone, you know, which you can use in biryanis and you can use in vegetables and everything. This is tar anise, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper, cinnamon, you know, all this kind of stuff I'm using. That's it. I'll put a little jeera, very little. And I shall stir. Okay. Put the gas on slow. Then I will, once this is like heated, I'll pour in the tomato puree, which I have kept it ready. This is 2 tomatoes. I've made the puree. So go on doing it. Now put the gas on high flame. And go on sauteing it till it is done and the oil separates. Now see, the oil has separated. I'm going to put a little bit of adrak mirchi paste. Very little. Stir. Now once this is done, I shall put dahi. 1, 2. And put the gas on slow when you're putting dahi. And 3. Just pour in the curd. And stir. Mix it. I put some salt, okay? Once this is done, what I shall do is, I will start throwing in the potatoes. See, we have sliced the potatoes like this, you know, into rounds. So I'm throwing that in. I have taken 2 potatoes. You can take 1, you can take 3, depending on how much rice you have taken. Rice I have taken is 1.5 measures, 1.5 cups. So accordingly you can do. Just throw this in. This is all in the cooker, you know, so it's very quick. Stir a little bit, not much. Just mix it with all the masalas. And now I'm putting the flame on high. Then once I do this, I shall throw in a little bit of pudina, okay, which is mint. Then I go to the fridge, take out cheese. Yeah, you wonder what I'm doing. I'm putting in cheese. I said it's different. So I'm just breaking the slices. I've taken the cheese, and you can take any cheese, it doesn't matter, whatever you have. And I will put in 2 slices. Okay, then mix. This will all melt inside. It's really hot. Oh, my hand is burning. Then I shall take little bit of black pepper, throw it in, little bit of garam masala, throw it in, not much, otherwise it will become very spicy. And then throw in all your paneer cubes. Now cut it into cubes. So just throw it in. Mix it. Once you mix it, then what you do is take your rice. This is soaked and washed and everything. I'm using kolam. It's 1.5 measures, cups. Throw it in. Okay. Mix a little bit. Saute. Once this is sauteed, then you take your water and throw in water. Now if it is 1.5 cups of rice, you take in 3 cups of water. Double. Because there are potatoes. If it is only rice and paneer, you could have taken less. But since there is potatoes, we have to cook the potatoes. So just take a little bit more water and mix it nicely first. Then throw in some leaves on top, pudina. That's it. And then cover it and let it cook. 3 whistles will be enough. That's it. Now we are opening the cooker. The whistles have gone on. We did it, I think, for 3 whistles. Yeah, 3 whistles. See, this is the pulao. Looks yummy. है ना भारती? पास हो गई कि फेल?
पास हो गई.
अरे वाह. And then you serve. Yummy it is. See? The fun is in eating it very hot, piping hot. Otherwise, वो ठंडा हो जाता फिर मज़ा नहीं आता, I'm very particular about all this. Particular about cleaning my kitchen. Everything has to be maintained well. The utensils have to be cleaned immediately. I'm very particular about all this. See? The paneer, you can call it pulao, biryani, whatever. I'm after my Bharti and my maids to always keep the kitchen clean. वो शुद्धि है. So we have to keep everything clean, spick and span. Utensils should not be piled up in the sink, which I've seen a lot of people just keep it overnight and in the morning they wash. Don't do things like that. It's ashuddhi. You have to have hygiene, cleanliness. Ma is all about hygiene, cleanliness. You should have seen when Ma was in her physical body. things were spick and span all around her, you know. So that's what we have to learn. So that's what I am all about, I guess, you know, that I like everything to be perfect and spick and span. So that's all. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. बोलो श्री शिमानंदमय की
जय।
आज की पनीर पुलाव बिरयानी बहुत बढ़िया। जय माँ।